Window sticking because of wood frame swelling is one of the most annoying things, especially when you just want to open or close them without wrestling. So, first off, if your windows are sticking, don't just slam them or force them open. That's only going to make things worse. You want to check the humidity inside your house because wood loves to soak up moisture and swell up like crazy. Try using a dehumidifier or even just crank the air conditioning to keep things dry during the humid months. Next, grab some sandpaper or a sanding block and gently sand down the swollen parts of the wood frame where the window sticks. Just sand a little at a time and keep testing the window until it slides smoothly again. Make sure you clean off any dust from sanding before trying to close the window again, so nothing else gets stuck. Also, apply some wax or a silicone-based lubricant on the window edges after sanding to help it slide better next time. Keep an eye on your window frames for any peeling paint or cracks, since those can let moisture in and cause more swelling down the road. If possible, try to keep your windows shut during heavy rainstorms. Less water exposure means less swelling. One of the biggest issues with window sticking because of wood swelling is ignoring the problem until it gets way worse, which just means more sanding and repairs later on. Fix it early by keeping humidity low and checking your windows regularly. Another common mistake is using too much force to open or close the window, which can damage the wood or even break glass. Instead, address the swelling by sanding and adjusting moisture levels like we talked about. Lastly, not sealing or painting your window frames properly lets moisture sneak in, causing swelling over and over again. The fix here is to keep your frames well painted and sealed to protect the wood from humidity changes. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome place where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to fixing windows and more. Contractors also get a steady stream of jobs there, making it easier for them to grow their business and help people out with their home projects.